a stop sign back there?
I did?
You nearly got hit, too. What's your name?
Tim Rogers.
I'll tell you what, Tim. I won't give you a ticket. Instead, I'll give you a pass if you read this book. You learn how to ride that machine, like those guys.
A bike isn't a toy. It's just like a car. You're in the road, and that can be dangerous. So you better learn to ride as safely as you can. To start off with, that means good equipment. Good equipment means good fit. When you're in the saddle, you should be able to put one foot on the ground without leaning your bike. Like this. See? This bike fits me. Too small. Too big. Just right. Right equipment also means a horn or a bell so that you can warn cars and people that you're coming.
You also have to keep your equipment in good condition.
Give your tires enough air.
Be sure your bike gets oil.
Check those brakes.
Get a lock and chain. A good one. And if you really want to play it safe, register your bike with the police.
Sheriff, he's gone. He broke out of his cell.
He stole a horse and he's aiming to cross the border.
We'll never catch him.
We can try. Let's head him off at the pass. Mount your horses, man. Come on, let's ride.
That's no way to get on your bike. Here's how you do it.
You have to be a pretty good rider these days if you want to avoid having accidents.
Sometimes you should try riding a straight line without wobbling.
Can you turn and change directions quickly? It's pretty good practice.
Keeping your balance at a slow speed is real important, especially in heavy traffic. If you lose your balance, you could fall in the path of a car.
Loads can throw your balance off, too. No good. Better. No way. Much better. No good. No way. Much better. Now, how well can you stop your bike? Do you think you could stop on a dime?
With coaster brakes, just press on the back pedals, smooth and easy.
With handbrakes, use the rear brake first.
Usually, you won't even have to use the front brake.
Remember, you can't stop instantly. You need room to stop. So give yourself about 3 meters. When you're sure you're a pretty good rider, then it's safe to ride in traffic. But how do you ride? With it or against it? Always ride with the traffic. Keep to the right. Remember, your bike is just like a car. Always keep to the right.
And don't weave. When you do, the driver in the car doesn't know what you're going to do next. That can mean an accident, especially if the driver's uptight. Always ride in a straight line. Nobody wants a crack up.
If there's a bike lane, use it. It's a lot safer. But you shouldn't ride on the sidewalk unless it's legal in your town. And if you're riding on a country road, watch out for slippery gravel and holes. Wherever you ride, you have to signal turns too, like a driver in a car. Which way are we going to turn now, right or left? What's this signal for? And this one? It's for stopping. Signals let drivers know what you're doing.
Drivers have to pay attention to lots of signs and traffic signals. So do bike riders.
Be careful when you're coming out of alleys and watch for pedestrians. They have the right of way.
Left turns are tricky and the most dangerous. Which way do you think we'll take? Like this, through the middle of the street? This is the safe way.
And when traffic's really heavy, don't take chances. Walk your bike.
When it's wet out, be extra careful, because your bike can skid. Always check for traffic around you. Learn to look back now and then without weaving. That takes a bit of skill.
At night, put your light on. And wear light-colored clothes so you can be seen better. Your bike has to have lights and reflectors if you ride at night. That's the law.
Left. Right.